All right, lean in, seriously. Ladies and gentlemen, please hear from the applicant's representative who, likely in his pajamas, just banked $500 today. How? Not by trading crypto, not by grinding 12-hour shifts. They did it using AI automation. Sounds crazy. Let me drop this on you. Experts say AI could automate 40% of working hours worldwide in the near future. But here's the real question. Are you going to be the one replaced or the one getting paid? If you chose to get paid, stay tuned, because over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how any beginner can start making some serious cash with AI automation. No tech degree, no massive budget, nothing but hustle, and the right blueprint. Let's go. Think of AI automation as hiring the smartest, quickest, never-sleeping intern on the planet for pennies. It's fusing artificial intelligence, which is that brain capacity that adapts and creates, with automation, setting up systems that operate on their own. Boom! Those tasks that you felt sucked your life away for hours? Done. Services people need? Delivered. Money flowing in? Automated. This isn't sci-fi, folks. This is the ultimate 2025 side gig. We're talking AI side hustles, passive income, building digital assets that work while you sleep. Forget get rich quick. This is get smart and automate. All right, let's get tactical. Forget vague ideas. Here are 3 specific ways anyone can begin. With zero experience, number 1, AI freelancing. Crush basic freelance gigs with the power of AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Think writing blog posts, creating social media captions, beginner graphic design, video editing scripts, even basic coding help. You're not replacing the freelancer. You're becoming a super-powered project manager. Find gigs on Upwork or Fiverr. Take a task that AI can do in 10 minutes and charge like it took hours. Boom. Instant leverage. Second, affiliate marketing on autopilot. Love a product? Leverage AI to generate killer review content, blogs, short videos, and social posts that will promote it and drive traffic to it. Create automated funnels with no-code tools like Card or ConvertKit. AI writes the emails, it schedules the posts. You collect commissions. Passive income? Activated. Third, micro-agency magic. Find a problem that local businesses struggle with and solve it, such as responding to their Google reviews or managing their social media. Leverage AI tools such as ManyChat or Zapier plus AI to create the automatic service. Sell it for $200 to $500 a month. You're the CEO. AI is your staff. Scalable, profitable, game-changing. You don't need to waste money on high-end software. Begin with the free heavy hitters, the brains. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude, your top-tier consultants, writers, and researchers. These are your gods of ideas. The connectors, Zapier, and Make.ai to stick your AI tools together and to other apps. Crucial for true automation. The creators, Canva, CapCut, and to script for AI-powered design, video editing, and audio editing. The communicators, ManyChat and ChatFuel to create bots. For customer service or lead qualification, the doers, Bardine AI to create TaskBot for doing things from your browser. Pro tip, learn 2 to 3 tools deeply before moving on to the next bright, shiny object. Consistency beats complexity. Stop overcomplicating it. Follow this simple roadmap. First, choose your battle, that is your niche. What lights you up or what appears to be selling. Micro niches win. Second, discover the pain point. What common activity do they waste time on? Third, build an AI solution. Could an AI task do 80% of that task for you automatically with an AI tool, maybe Zapier? Fourth, build the damned thing. Put that toolkit to work. Start small. Have one automation working flawlessly. Fifth, sell it. Contact 5 potential customers. Offer a free trial. Turn trials into paying customers. Sixth, scale and refine. Invest your initial profits to scale up or create additional. Rinse, repeat, build your empire. Here's the key change in mindset. The value is not in accomplishing the task manually. Your worth is in recognizing the problem, designing the AI solution, and maintaining the system. You're the strategist, the architect. Stop exchanging your hours for a paycheck. Begin creating automated income flows. Sure, there is a learning curve, but it's the shallowest curve in existence for the greatest possible payoff. Fear of tech? Start with one simple tool. Overwhelmed? Focus on one micro niche. Just get started. So, here's the AI money-making mix. Discover a niche problem, use free AI tools as your superpower, automate the solution with no code glue, such as Zapier, and sell the results. Construct systems, not tasks. This is not the future. This is now. The barrier to entry? Lower than it's ever been. The opportunity? Massive. Your call to action. First, choose one idea from the above that sparked something in you. Freelancing, affiliates, micro agency. Second, pick one tool to learn. This week, begin with ChatGPT or Gemini. Third, outline one simple automation you could create for a targeted niche. The AI wave is here. You can either watch it roll by or learn to surf it right to the bank. The tools are free. The knowledge is out there. The only thing missing, your decision to start. Hit like if this unlocked something for you. Subscribe. Next week, I break down building your first AI micro agency. Comment below with your money-making path. Remember, it's not about working harder. It is working smarter with AI. Go build something awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.